Kim, thank you so much for taking a few minutes out of your day today to be here to talk to me. Tell everyone a little bit about yourself.
Okay, my name is Kim Williams. Was in the media business for years and retired just a couple of years ago and lived in LA for a long time and moved back to Albuquerque, New Mexico to retire.
And what brought you in to see Dr. Goff?
A high school friend of mine, actually two, both had knee replacement with Dr. Goff, and I was having problems with my hip, horrific problems with my right hip. And they said, you have to go talk to Dr. Goff, and he does knees and hips, and you need to go talk to him. He'll change your life. And that's exactly, both of them said the exact same thing.
What was it like to have to come from New Mexico to see him? Like, what was that process like for you?
Very easy, because it's only about a 6-7 hour drive for me from Albuquerque. And I also stayed with my brother. But at the same time, I thought about just getting an Airbnb to recoup, because after seeing Dr. Goff, I opted to go with the whole wellness program. And I'm just so glad I did, because I think I healed really quick. But it was very, very easy. And Dr. Goff was very accommodating to, knowing that I was coming in and out of town. So he really worked the schedule around to work out for me, or the office did.
So you are 1 year, a little over 1 year post-op,
Mhm.
right now. Tell us a little bit about like, it's almost like where are you now? Like, what are you doing now that you couldn't do before? Like, how has this changed your life?
It's changed everything, because I was really in pain, and I was at a point where it was going to start affecting the other hip when I came in to get from Dr. Goff to review everything and see about the surgery. So I'm a different person. I mean, I had lost about 50 pounds, but I've lost an additional 30 pounds, because now I can walk with my friends. I go on a walk every morning for about an hour. I have a fairly nice sized property in Albuquerque. I do all the yard work and everything around the property now that I couldn't do. And I just feel like I have my life back, and have zero pain. Zero, zero, zero.
That's amazing. Is there any advice you'd give someone who's thinking about doing surgery or maybe a little scared about it?
Do it. Don't put it off, because I probably should have had it done at least 2 years prior, because of the pain. It just affects everything. It affects your head. It affects your physicality. And to come in and get this hip done, I had zero pain after I got the hip done. I was up within 3 hours. Um, Everything just went great. I did the red light treatments, which I'm really glad I did for my skin and the healing there. And I just don't put it off. Get it done, because it's life changing. It gives you your life back. In fact, my 30-year-old son said, "Mom, I'm so happy to have you back. It's like you were when I was a kid, and you have your energy, and you moving, and you're climbing stairs, and you're doing everything. And I'm just so happy for you. So get it done."
Thanks, Kim. Thanks so much. We really appreciate you
Thank
and
you,
your
guys.